What if I told you that your indoor plants could grow twice as fast without spending hundreds of dollars on expensive fertilizers or fancy equipment? Most people unknowingly make a few simple mistakes that slow down growth, causing yellow leaves, weak stems, and stunted plants. The good news is that professional growers use a handful of easy techniques that anyone can follow at home. In today's video, I'm revealing 7 secret tricks that will help your snake plant, Pothos, peace lily, Monstera, ZZ plant, spider plant, and many other houseplants grow healthier, greener, and faster than ever before. Be sure to stay until the end, because I'll also share one bonus tip that many gardeners overlook, but it can make a huge difference in your plant's growth. Trick number 1. Give your plants the perfect light. Light is the fuel that powers every plant. Without enough light, even the best fertilizer won't help your plants grow quickly. Most indoor plants thrive in bright, indirect sunlight for about 6 to 8 hours each day. Place them near an east or south-facing window where they receive plenty of filtered light. Avoid intense afternoon sun, which can scorch delicate leaves. If your home is naturally dark, don't worry. A full-spectrum LED grow light can provide the light your plants need all year round. Every few days, rotate the pot slightly so every side receives equal light. This encourages balanced growth and prevents plants from leaning toward the window. Healthy light equals faster growth, stronger stems, and vibrant green leaves. Trick number 2. Water smart, not more. Many people believe watering more means faster growth, but the opposite is often true. Overwatering suffocates roots, encourages root rot, and prevents plants from absorbing nutrients properly. Before watering, always check the top 1 to 2 inches of soil with your finger. If it still feels moist, wait another day or 2. When it's time to water, soak the soil thoroughly until water drains from the bottom of the pot. Then, empty the saucer so the roots aren't left sitting in water. Different plants have different watering needs, so always observe your plant instead of following a strict schedule. Healthy roots are the foundation of healthy plants, and proper watering helps them grow faster and stronger. Trick number 3. Feed your plants the nutrients they need. Plants need more than sunlight and water. They also require nutrients to produce healthy leaves, stems, and roots. During spring and summer, feed your indoor plants every 2 to 4 weeks using a balanced liquid fertilizer. Follow the recommended dosage because too much fertilizer can burn the roots and slow growth instead of helping it. Organic options like compost tea or worm castings can also provide gentle nutrition. If your plant has pale leaves or very slow growth, it may simply be hungry. Consistent feeding supplies the nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium needed for vigorous development. Well-fed plants reward you with lush foliage, stronger roots, and continuous new leaves throughout the growing season. Trick number 4. Upgrade your soil for faster roots. The right soil makes a huge difference in how quickly plants grow. Heavy, compacted soil traps too much water and prevents oxygen from reaching the roots. Healthy roots need both moisture and air. Choose a high-quality potting mix designed for indoor plants and improve it with ingredients like perlite, pumice, coconut coir, or orchid bark. These materials create air pockets that encourage faster root development while preventing waterlogging. Strong roots absorb nutrients more efficiently, leading to larger leaves and healthier stems. If your soil has become compacted over time, replacing it with a fresh mix can instantly improve plant health. Remember, great plants always begin with healthy roots beneath the soil. Trick number 5. Increase humidity like nature does. Many favorite houseplants originally come from tropical rainforests, where the air is naturally warm and humid. Dry indoor air, especially from heaters and air conditioners, can slow growth and cause brown leaf edges. Increase humidity by placing plants close together, using a pebble tray filled with water, or running a humidifier nearby. Misting can provide temporary moisture, but consistent humidity is much more effective. Plants like Monstera, peace lily, calathea, and pothos respond especially well to higher humidity levels. You'll often notice bigger leaves, healthier new growth, and fewer dry tips. Creating a tropical environment indoors helps your plants feel at home and encourages them to grow much faster. Trick number 6. Repot before your plant becomes root-bound. Even the healthiest plant eventually outgrows its pot. When roots circle around the container or grow through the drainage holes, the plant becomes root-bound. At this stage, growth slows because the roots have no room left to expand. Repot into a container that is only 1 or 2 inches larger than the current pot. This provides fresh soil, new nutrients, and enough space for roots to continue developing. Avoid choosing a pot that's too large because excess soil can stay wet for too long. Repotting during spring or early summer gives plants the best chance to establish themselves quickly and produce vigorous new growth. Trick number 7. Prune and clean your plants regularly. One of the easiest ways to encourage faster growth is regular maintenance. Dust builds up on leaves and blocks sunlight, reducing the plant's ability to perform photosynthesis. Wipe leaves gently with a soft, damp cloth every few weeks to keep them clean and healthy. Remove yellow, brown, or damaged leaves because they waste the plant's energy. Pruning leggy stems encourages branching, resulting in fuller and bushier plants. Always use clean, sharp scissors or pruning shears to make smooth cuts that heal quickly. A clean, well-pruned plant can focus its energy on producing healthy new leaves instead of maintaining damaged or unnecessary growth. Now you know the 7 secret tricks that can help your indoor plants grow faster and healthier than ever. With the right light, proper watering, balanced nutrition, healthy soil, increased humidity, timely repotting, and regular pruning, you'll see stronger roots, greener leaves, and impressive new growth. Remember, healthy plants don't happen overnight, but small improvements made consistently lead to amazing results over time. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your fellow plant lovers. Don't forget to subscribe to SRT Planting Tips and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest indoor gardening secrets. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy growing!